Well, hello guys. I'm pretty sure you can tell in my voice that I am sick, so apologies for that. So yes, welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can obviously tell, I am lit and ready and just super excited to show you guys his hair. Yes, girl, go ahead. Yeah, so this is how I act when I'm feeling myself, or if something came out how I wanted it to come out. So I'm just feeling it. I'm really feeling it. It's, a color that I'm digging. I don't wear color much, so when I actually do and it comes out good, I'm like, okay, boo, you got it, girl. But in today's video, you guys, I am showing you how I got this bluish greenish hair. I used two different dyes and I used a watercolor method to do it. I'm also going to throw in a little bit of makeup routine there so you can get a little bit of the makeup routine. And then I show my outfit, but it's not really something that I too much focus on. However, we're still going to call this a get ready with me. Now this hair is from Persephone. It is a unit that was once in a lifetime black, and it has been through all types of changes, and it has stuck with me through this whole process. And yes, so this is the final color of this wig. I will not be coloring this wig anymore, but I wanted to show you guys how I got it because I feel like colorful wigs are always a mood, so yes, I hope you guys enjoy all of the life I am giving you through these videos. But that's all I'm gonna say, you guys. Let's just jump into the video so we can get to the good stuff, okay? Alright, so first of all, I'm showing you guys this hair bleached. Now, this hair has been through a process, like a good old process, okay? Like I said, this hair was once in a lifetime black 1B. And as you can see now, it's pretty blonde. Like, it took color very well. It didn't strip. It didn't dehydrate. It didn't make it where it was just rough and tough. It is actually still very soft and has all of its body. I'm using the Kiss colors. One's hunter green and one is emerald. Now, my first initial thought was I was going to dye this without the watercolor method. And what you see me doing here, I am using, or I'm just separating the front part that's a little bit more blonde. That's where I want the blue to hit. And then I was going to have the green in the back because I wanted it to be more of like a fade, okay? Now, this color did not take very well with it being on dry hair. Like, it was just going to take too long for me to get the whole thing colored. So I ended up saying, okay, let me go boil some water and do this watercolor method because that just, you see, it was taking too much time. So what I did was I took my little empty container and I just filled it with some boiling hot water. Like, I was very careful to not get this on myself because I would have burned my skin, I'm sure. I literally took it out the aisle and it was just boiling hot water. So I started off with the hunter green first. I wanted to get the back of the hair done since I had separated it. And you can just add as much as you would like. I usually just start off with like little to medium amount, and then I just add more as needed. So that's what I'm going to do first. And I just move the dye around to make sure it gets on all the strands and pieces of hair. Then I'm going to move on to the emerald, which is going to go to the front of the hair, which is where I wanted more of the blue to hit. So I did that same situation. I got some more boiling hot water, and I did change the water out. You didn't want to use the same water because I don't really know if that's going to give you the color you want. Now, in this frame, it looks like that green took really well, right? However, once I actually dried the hair, it had so many brown patches in it, you guys. Like, so many brown that I was like, I cannot record a video with this looking like this. Like, that just wasn't going to work. So I had to go back in later on and dye this hair by hand with my leftover dye to just get the parts that did not take in the water. So it worked, but not 100%. It was more like 80%. And then I had to go back in and do the 20% work. So this is what it looked like after I went back over it again with my hand dye, or just doing it while it was dry. And as you can see, the color came out beautiful. Now this hair is naturally wavy, so that's why it still has this navy texture when you know, combing it out and all that good stuff. So I was just gonna blow dry it, and then I said I want to wear this straight. So I parted it, and I'm showing you the back of it. That's how the green looks in the back. No, it did not take all the way like I wanted it to, but it gave me Peacock vibes. So I said, this still works. So that's what I went with. And now I'm just going to straighten it. I'm going to fast forward through this because no one really cares to see what straight hair looks like, or straightening hair. See, it's coming out really well. It's very soft. The hair is super duper soft. It had a little bit of static in it. That was probably for me. And then once I got to the front, I am going to flat iron it with, well, not flat iron it, hot comb it, I guess you could call it, to make the frontal lay as flat as possible. My dye did get on my lace. That was my fault for dipping the whole lace into the water. I shouldn't have done that. That's just a lesson learned. But the color still came out beautiful. As you see, it's a nice fade. You just have a bunch of different tones, but you still get the color vibes from it. So it's really beautiful. And you could probably fix the lace by dyeing it or tinting the lace, or just using some makeup, which is what I'm going to do. So now we're just going to go ahead and jump into the makeup portion. Hi guys, I know I look a little bit crazy right now. It's because I'm doing this a little backwards. This get ready with me. I'm going to do my makeup first, and then I'm going to do my hair. Then I'm going to show you the outfit. So what I'm going to do is try and do an eyeshadow look today. I really don't do much with my eyeshadow nowadays. I used to be like super into it with all the colors, cut creases, all this good crap. But now I just be like, throw a little color in my crease, make sure the skin is warm and popping, and that'd be about it. So today I'm going to do a little eyeshadow. Hopefully it comes out looking okay. I'm going to use this Magic by Hoovia palette. I've never used it. I've had it for a while. So yes, I am going to grab a few colors out of this and see what I can come up with. I don't really want to do too much, so I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna see how this comes out. So first thing I'm gonna grab is this concealer from LA Girl Pro. It's in the color Fawn. I think this is one of their most popular shades because every time I go to shop for this color, it's always gone. So I don't even know if it's still a thing. Do people still prime their eyelids with concealer? That's how long it's been since I've done an eyeshadow look, and I don't even know like what to prime my eyes with anymore. But I'm gonna go with what I know and what works. So I'm just gonna pat this all over my lid. This is the same color I used to clean up my eyebrows. So I'm not gonna set it or anything. I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I'm probably just gonna do like a smoked out look. Probably not nothing too popping too much, y'all. So I'm gonna take Nana and Zakia. See how that works. So I'm taking this Sigma E25 blending brush, but I'm using it as a packing brush. I'm just gonna pack this color on my lid. Now I'm going to take this blending brush from Morphe. It's an M139 brush, and I'm just gonna blend out this inner part with the same color. I don't want it to like fade into anything else. I'm just gonna blend it out so there's no harsh lines there. Using the same color, Nana. Now I'm going to go into Zakia, that Zakia shade. I'm gonna use the same brush because I do nothing super duper special. I'm just gonna pack it on the outer corner, make it into a fade. It's looking pretty good. Don't worry, you guys, I'm gonna blend it out. Nothing's just gonna sit on my eyelid like that. That's not cute. And this is really pretty, and my camera is not picking up how pretty this looks on my eyes right now, and it's kind of making me upset. And I don't have any lighting. Let me see if I move my camera. Okay, so now you can see it looks really good, but where I'm like placed at right now, you can't really tell. But I'm gonna blend it out some more, but y'all can see how like the color fade is going on. Yes, palette. She's cute. She's cute. So guys, for foundation, I'm going to use two foundations. This is a Revlon Stay, and then I have my MAC. This is the Studio Fix. This is an NC45, which obviously is too light for my face, and then this one is just too dark for my face. So when I mix the two, we get the perfect shade. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This one is in the color caramel, whatever you want to call it. Blend that out very lightly. I try not to take away the color of my concealer, so I'll just blend it light. Next, I'm going to use this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. I have a love-hate relationship with this. Sometimes it comes out flawless, sometimes it comes out a hot mess. So we're just gonna see what this time brings. I don't know what it's gonna be, but we just gonna see. All right, let's go. Let's try this. And that's all that I'm going to use. I'm not going to use any more than that because I might push my limits and then it might not work that well. So I'm going to let that do what it does. I'm going to go back in on my eyes and blend out these edges that seem to have done something on their own. I don't like how it looks. I'm going to go in with a little bit of liner before I put these lashes on, and I kind of want a thick line. All right, I'm gonna go find some lashes to throw on right quick. I'll be right back. I have my lashes on now, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe off this powder. So since my camera's dying now, I'm gonna go ahead and just zoom through the rest of my face makeup. I'm pretty sure you guys know the drill now, so I'm just gonna show you what I do, but I won't talk too much through it. I'm just going to get the rest of my face done before my camera dies. All right, this is from ColourPop. It's Total Package. I'm gonna use it to highlight today. I'm gonna go ahead and let my camera charge up for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and we're gonna finish up this video. Alright guys, now I'm just going to show you how I'm going to get this wig on and styling it after I've done my makeup. I'm not doing too much, too extra. It's already straightened out, which is a plus to do on your mannequin head. You need a mannequin head if you don't have one, because it's just so much easier that way. You're going to try to do it on your own head. So what I did was I'm going to add some powder to my lace to the front, and then as well as to my part once I decide how I'm going to style it. I used Got To Be Freeze Spray to just get it secure. I wasn't wearing the wig for multiple days, so just for it to wear for a few hours, I just used the spray. And then I use a little bit of mousse just to make sure the flyaways are laid down and just to make sure it's nice and laid, you know. But that's all I did to my hair, you guys. I really love how it came out. If you guys love how this hair came out, leave me a comment below. And then also leave me a like, you guys, and let me know that you liked it. If you want to see some more coloring videos, let me know, because I actually have bought a bunch of different color dyes. So I'm really interested in dyeing some more hair. But I just want to make sure that's content that you guys want to see. So if it is, let me know. But that's all I got for you guys. I really do hope you enjoyed today's Get Ready With Me video. If you did, you know what to do. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, just leave me some comments below. I want to talk to you guys. And thank you to all my new subscribers. I've seen you join it, and I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I do hope you guys really love this video. This wig coloring situation has been going on for about 3 weeks, no lie. And I finally got it on and styled it. So that's all I got. Thank you guys. Love you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.